Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Match Factory game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Match Factory game on your device. And if you're opening it up for the first time, you will be asked to go through various different levels before you can log into your account. After completing the second level, you will gain access to the main menu, from which you can tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and if you don't already have an account, you can tap on Save Progress to sign in to your account. Now if you wish to log out from your account that you are currently logged in with, tap on the same gear icon at the top right and then tap on Save Progress. Now you will find the sign out option instead of sign in within the account that you have already signed in with. Go ahead and tap on the sign out button, and now you will be logged out from your account on that respective ID right away. You can then tap on the continue button and your progress will now not be saved on any accounts anymore. And there you have it. That is how you can sign out from your account on the Match Factory game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.